Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Quizlet app. You click on settings. Here you click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Quizlet app and you click here. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to stop it. Don't forget to support